couple of fish over the top. So, haven't fished here before, so we'll have a little drop here anyway. Says he's fishing with a jig.
Yeah. Only because I can't be bothered waiting for you to rig up my line.
Yeah.
Just a couple bigger fish.
Alright, wind is making it a bit difficult to fish at the moment. Very hard to hold bottom. So I'm just staying on the wheel while they've got some paternosters down, trying to pick up a couple of pearlies, but it'd be nice once that wind backs off around 10 or 11 o'clock, apparently. Alright, Codes is on to something small, hopefully not a grinner. Some nice blobs on the bottom, guys. Pull it over, guys! First fish in the boat! Are you kidding? Yes! The rest of the day is enjoyable.
Oh, the monkey's off the shoulder.
That is great. Oh, for the eyeball! Alright, that's an eyeball. He's down near the bottom. There's fish. Hold it up for the camera, mate. That's an eyeball right there.
Ew.
Oh. Yeah, head banging, isn't he?
Yeah.
Let him go. Head banging. Alright, a couple of nice little squire to start the day. So that's good. Says his is 44 and mine was smaller, so she's in the running for the $100. If that's what wins it, we're in trouble. Codes, onto a good one there.
On the drop pretty much. No, you're not.
Oh, it's a good tusky,
Big tucky. Is that what it says?
Well done, mate.
Still bait on there.
Yep.
I can feel someone else's line here.
Hey?
I think I can feel your line.
Yay.
Here. Look at that. What have you got, love?
Where's the
Oh, it's a stingray.
Oh, manta ray.
That's what you want.
Oh, shit.
Well, that sucks. I thought that was a nice snapper then for a little bit. Then I thought it was a shark. Turns out it was a stingray. Anyway, that wind's starting to drop now. It's about 9:40. So once again, bomb charts are spot on. It's meant to be like this till dark.
Yeah, 8 o'clock
See
tonight.
how we go with that. Oh, we're going to keep picking through these areas and see what we can scrounge up. We've got a couple of squire, a couple of good tuskies, really good tuskies. Looking over heaps of little rocks, and seems like a lot of smaller fish on the chew at the moment. I reckon afternoon, it'll be an afternoon bite. We're about a week before the full moon, so as the wind drops, we'll go wider and wider and wider. We'll end up probably about 30 or 40 k's off this afternoon, come in after dark. Alright, we've pushed about 12 kilometres east-southeast now of where we were, and I'd like to say that it was a good trip, but it's pretty rough at the moment. So, have a look around here, chasing a snapper, pearlies, hopefully. Juice fart. Alright, says he's on. Finally, that was a bit of a gap in between fish. It's only small, but it's something. It gives a look at your big snap. It's all we can manage at the moment. Catch you, mate. Oh, that's better.
Bringing my bloody line in for nothing.
Alrighty.
Shark.
Bad fish.
Gonna measure this fish down here.
Oh my god, how's the eyeball?
Auto's got a red emperor there.
Oh, nice.
Come back to you soon with this one.
Oh, good job.
I thought that was going to be a nice snapper, but just a little amberjack.
Little rat.
We've finally come over a decent show. So that snapper holding off a big ball of bait. So fingers crossed we could get into a couple here. I just jinxed us. That's one of those snapper off that snapper school Codes has got there. That's not a bad one, mate. Say I've got another one here.
Not as good as that other fish.
One's quite small. Ooh, what's he calling it? It's grassy. It's been about an hour and a half since we last had the camera on, because we've caught bugger all, maybe 2 squire. That's about it. Wherever we go, just seems like not many fish on the sounder, and when we do, it's just bite by bite, heaps those little honeycomb cod, stuff like that. So we're just going to keep looking around. Hopefully we can be where we should be when the sun's setting. Have a good little session in the arvo. So.
Mine's just like constant.
You're a dickhead, you know that. Alright, it's getting on in the arvo. We've moved way out, we're about 40 k's offshore now. It's been really tough going. Still, we've got a decent tusky or something here, but about to pull the pin and head in closer. Got a decent little box of fish, but been hard. Squire and a trag, and a red and a squire. Nice little charm. Oh, far out. It's been tough today. Go easy. Yeah, alright, go easy. Oh. Don't stop winding.
It's a very good fish, whatever it is. Very heavy fish.
Number 2. It says he's onto a bloody good fish here. A very good fish here.
Oh! Did you see that?
Massive whale explosion there.
That was a whole whale out of the
boat
water.
Go easy now, you're getting way off the bottom.
Why is it coming up over there?
It's alright. You're right. What is it? Oh, it's a big gold band. Big gold
Oh,
band.
he's blown his guts.
Look at the size of this gold band.
Is that big?
Yeah, he's a... That's a good goldie. Here you go. That's a cracker gold band snapper, sir.
Thanks. It's my first. I've never caught one before. I was a bit disappointed.
Don't be disappointed in that.
I was like, why is it
They're
coming
awesome.
up high?
You beauty. That was a huge whale just come up right beside us there. You can see his
Fake.
thingies. Go away, Mr. Whale.
Where's his other mate?
Oh!
Oh, there they are.
Alright, we got a 30k run in to get to a couple of little pearly and snapper spots we want to fish in close. So we're going to hook it in now and have a little go in there, hopefully make it just on sunset. Got to keep warm and dry. Quick 30 kilometres. We're in here shallower now, just gonna have a bit of a fish in shallow and see how it goes, but once again Queensland turning on sunset. We're back.
You good?
You all good, mate?
Yeah, I just gotta put the shackle on.
Back at the ramp, try and pull her out. back at camp now. Absolutely shattered. So buggered. We're going to cook up a bit of chicken, Moroccan chicken, and I won't be too far out of bed. So hungry. How's this? Straight back up to 100%. That's pretty good. That's pretty much just solar charged enough through the day. I'm stoked with this electrical system so far. It's unreal. Everything's going good so far, fingers crossed. Contemplating having some hot showers, so in the Julka, but it's always hard because it's freezing out here at the moment, so a hot shower's good, but then you got to get out into the cold to get warm again. Anyway, all fishy and yucky feeling, so it's nice to jump in bed feeling fresh. Don't know how much more filming we'll do tonight. Maybe a little bit of cooking and shows this Julka setup, so it is nice. Yeah, screw it, we'll have a hot shower. Alright, Moroccan chicken. A mate of mine, Jesse, showed me this when we were up in Darwin camping, barra fishing. It's quick, it's easy, and it's super tasty. All you do, bit of chicken thigh, chop it up into bite-sized bits, that big. Got the Moroccan chicken, rice bran oil, Moroccan seasoning, salt and pepper, oil over all the chicken, mix it up, salt, pepper, and a heap of Moroccan seasoning, mix it all up. Definitely ready for bed. 1 or 2 beers and bedtime for sure. More Moroccan. Got me apprentice here. How much do you step and you like feel like you're on the boat still?
Oh, yeah. Bad.
I'm sitting here like trying to grab stuff. Holy mackerel. That's 24 seconds on that, and
That's
it's
hot.
almost too hot for me to touch.
Yeah.
You're kidding me. It's frying already. That's 44 seconds. So far, I'm all for induction cooker.
Yep.
But that's ridiculous.
Quicker than our stove at home.
Oh, by far. It sucks a bit of power, but you can...
Imagine if it was windy right now.
Yeah, well that's it. If it's windy right now, cooking on the barbie, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still going to cook on the barbie, but this is really, really handy. Is my hair good? Still got the mullet. Alright, so that's it. I'll show you the finished product. It's bloody good. Done already. Even old Shauna would be bloody proud of this one, wouldn't he, eh?
You must have just read my mind. I was about to say a bit of Shauno's cooking. Why didn't you split it across the 2 plates, babe, so we could start eating?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh.
Bossy. What do you reckon, Codes? So I thought Bordeaux was the fussiest man in the world. Turns out I'm wrong. Cody is. Sarah just said that Cody's never had a pork sausage before. Is that true?
He goes, I've had a pork sausage roll before.
Yeah, right. Jeez. And there you go. Moroccan chicken. Very beautiful. Taste one, Code. Fussiest man in the world.
Not that piece.
Yeah. Good, eh? Well, I forgot to film it, but I just had a hot shower over the other side, under the Julka. Anyway, 1 or 2 of these and it's bedtime for us. We're all spent, we're all sitting here going, oh, feel like we're still on the boat. It was that choppy. So anyway, see you all in the morning. Morning. We've woken up to 18 to 20 knots of wind, blowing southerly. It looks nice out there, but it's not going to be. We're going to poke the nose of the boat around the corner and to see how bad it is. And we can't really go far. As soon as you get outside that headland, it's going to be rough as, I reckon. So we'll go have a look anyway, see what we can do, but might end up at Rainbow in the shallows chasing grassies, or I don't know. So nobody has caught the pearly yet for the $100. We're gonna head out about 10k and just see if we can get a pearly. If not, we might have to try and, I don't know.
Give the $100 to me.
Just give the, and Cody has to eat an eyeball when he gets back to the beach, so that's gonna be good. Stay tuned for that one. Call this full send, don't they?
Yeah.
It's full sending.
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 Sending or bending?
Bending? Sending.
Jimmy!
Gonna send it. Send it. Jimmy! Bending! Alright. We're out here.
Big lead.
Definitely not favourable conditions today, but anyway, we got to get a pearly. It's blowing, I'd say 18 to 20 knots, exactly like what it said on the live weather reading on top of Double Island Point behind me. If it wasn't for Sarah, we wouldn't be out here. So I was like, let's go in close to Coffee Rock. She's like, nah, let's go out and try and get a pearly. Doesn't waste any time. With the current direction going north to south and a wind coming from the south heading north, it made for extremely difficult fishing with our lines a long way out the back of the boat. Plucking away at a few small reefies, then the taxman decides to show up. Should we go close? 37 centimetres. We're going to head in out of this wind. It's too hard to fish. Constant reverse. Can't hold bottom. A lot rougher than it looks on camera. Whoa! Yep, let's go. That was a fun ride in, but we're in and out of the wind. This awesome little wave here breaks from here all the way through past where these surfers are. Here's a good one.
Quiet.
Woohoo, look at that! Back at the ramp slash beach here, and it's time for Cody to eat the eyeball. He's trying to choose his fish.
No,
Bordeaux wants him to eat the gold band eyeball.
I'll put it to him and he can have the smallest eye out of one of the fishes, but he has to chew it,
Oh yeah?
or he can have the biggest fish and he can swallow it whole.
Yeah, right.
What do you reckon about that?
Yeah, okay.
How's that eye? It's pretty.
Hassa eye?
No.
How big's the Hassa eye? Show me.
Enough. About what I ate with the Tusky.
Codes, you got a
Yeah,
choice.
righto.
Smaller eye,
I'll
and
cut
you
it
have
out.
to chew it, or you can have the biggest eye and you have to swallow it.
You can just go big.
Alright, go big. Gold band it is. Gold.
I wouldn't watch this part, Cody.
Did you use a bait knife too?
Nah.
Oh. Does it have all the guts and stuff in it or not?
Just don't look. It's better if you don't look, mate. Dinner is
It's one,
served.
isn't it?
Wait.
Right in the water and stuff.
Let's do it.
Take your
Here he
hook off.
goes.
Oh.
So it's not the smallest eyeball. Righto, mate. Give you right. Whack it in. Whack it in. Don't throw it, just place it in. Come on, don't think about it. Come on.
I can't.
You got to. It's a deal. A deal's a deal. Just swallow.
You reckon?
Yeah. Now swallow. Now swallow.
I can't.
Swallow it.
I can't.
Swallow
I
it.
can't. I can't.
Put your face forward and yeah, now swallow.
I can't.
Swallow. All right, we've cut it in half for him. Show me.
Yeah, look at that ram.
That looks good. All right.
No, you
Go.
can't.
Yeah, let him use water.
I'll do a little bit.
It's like a fish milkshake. Ready? Put your face down.
Oh, nice kiss.
Did you? He didn't even swallow it.
No, I did.
Did you? Did you?
It's not there.
Oh, he tried to fake it.
I swear I felt it swallow.
Now you gotta say, all right, try the other half. See
I've
if the
got
other
half
half's
of it.
easier. Do it. Putting your head back is gonna be impossible. Just do it like that. Boom. Ready? Swallow. It's just chicken. I wouldn't put your head back. Go on. It's still not down, eh?
I can't. It doesn't go down. Try.
No, stop
All right,
sticking your head
last
back.
go. Come on, mate. You
Don't
can
That's
do
how
it.
I swallow it upwards.
You can do it. It's basically just like a bit of pilchard now. I reckon keep your face forward. Keep your face forward. Go. Do it, Codes. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
I had it down. I had it down.
That's a good try. Do you want to try do it, do you?
I'll do it.
Oh, he's going to do it. He wants to do it.
He's got the taste for the eye
He's
now.
persistent. Come on. Get it down. Get it down. Go, Cody. Go, Cody. Go, Cody. Go, Cody. Go, Cody. How'd you fall over? It's still in there.
More water.
Go, son. Do it. Do it. It's just an oyster. Do it. Get it. Get it. Nah.
Not bad.
Says to just smack it down. Wouldn't ya? Wouldn't ya?
Yeah.
She does.
I'm not.
She just literally goes, gone. How do you reckon you'd go with that?
I'd probably get it down, but probably end up the same as Codes.
It was a good try. It was a good try. High five. Well done. How are you, mate? pretty much concludes our trip. Time for the last part, pumping up. Never used to have this luxury on the old one. I have to bring a little pump and stuff with me, but it's all nicely mounted in there. Good trip, sir? Yep. Good trip, Auto?
Good trip, mate.
Good trip, Codes?
Yeah, sure.
That's it. Hey, mate. Give us a laugh. Give us a bloody laugh.
Oh, Jesus.
If you enjoyed this episode and are keen to see more, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram.